Righto, so this is my new log splitter. It's an electric log splitter. That's the electric motor there. Obviously need some assembling done, and I'm going to make a short video. Hopefully it's short. I've been putting it together. I'm going to try and do it on this pallet, most of it. I've got a jack. Here's all my tools over here. Got ready to go. I want to attach this caravan mover to it. It was on my old log splitter, which is now cactus. A tree fell on it many years ago, and so I'm going to try and just because I need to move it up this hill. We've got a double car park, and sometimes I want to be moving it uphill, and it's going to be 150 kilos or more with the battery. This is my old golf trolley battery. I've got a lithium one for that. This is the lead acid battery, but that'll work just fine. And yeah, I want to build it, split wood in the cool garage on a hot summer's day using my solar power, solar panels on the roof. And sometimes I want to be, if my wife's at work, I'll be doing up on this level because I've got I'll go through that door inside the garage to a back shed and stack the wood in there. And rather than pushing my wheelbarrow with my bad knee uphill around here, I'll just bring all the gear with the MiniMover, which I just replaced the handle on it. $80 delivered, but the old one got ants got in it and stuffed the electricals, and it works now. Just tested it, so just about ready to go. So I'll probably do a sped up video of the assembly, and starting now. I'll just check the time on my clock. Hoping I can get it done within an hour. 2:15. Righto. Let's prop this up here.